There's a vehicle on this channel that's been with us for so long. You can say that's kind of been the hero, and that's the DMAX. It's been hauling the bullet from point A, point B, to sometimes point C. If you haven't been paying attention, I've been dropping hints of the new changes here and there. But it's about time that the DMAX gets the attention that it deserves. And introduce to you the new and improved, my 2008 Chevy 2500. So there you have it, my 2008 Chevy 2500 HD DMAX. This truck has been a workhorse on the channel. You guys have never seen it because it's always pulling, but it's always been there, reliable for us. Well, for the most part anyways. But here it is. Let's go over the specs real quick, just so you guys know it's completely stock. That's the spec.
There's really nothing to say. I was like, what is he gonna say? What about the time you got stuck in the ditch with the trailer? You want to talk about that?
I did get stuck in the ditch, but guess what?
No, it's a positive thing. It's a positive thing.
Put it in for low, and it climbed its way freaking out of there.
But he left the bullet because it was too heavy to pull.
No, bro. It was trailer and all got stuck in the mud.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you black everything out?
The engine bay's all blacked out. There wasn't much painted underneath the engine bay. Most of it is just the fenders. But
what turbos do the diesels have?
I don't know.
What size
Some
turbos?
Borg Warners. I don't know what size. I have to look.
I gotta research that.
And big shout out also to our buddies over at Omni 12 for hooking us up with everything lighting automotive for this truck.
That looks good.
LED.
Who is it again?
Omni 12. Everything you need for your automotive lighting accessories.
Do they have stuff for my truck?
Yeah, they do. And actually they do. And they have a show coming up as well at Reliance Center. You can find the ad right here if you want to check it out. Video. Trying to do some voiceover for the video.
Voiceover?
Yeah, voiceover.
When you talk behind the camera or what?
Yeah, I'm just talking and I'm going to use the audio only in the rest of the video.
It looks good.
You like it?
I really do. I'm usually pretty negative towards you, but
yeah, you really are.
The truck looks really good.
I don't even know why we're friends, but well, you know. No, I don't. Why don't you explain to me?
You want me to help you get more views on your car and your stupid truck now. Well, not stupid. This is actually nicer than the Bullet.
I gotta come up with a new name now.
The Great Dane.
What?
The Great Dane.
We can't just call it.
We
gotta give the people a chance to name it.
I do like that.
Like that touch.
Yeah, I like that. It has good touches. Did you get the cow pen or did you trim black it?
We trim black.
Yeah, that thing works good. Dude, I did that to my...
Even the windshield wipers?
Yes, I did that to my mirrors and man, they last a long time.
The grill was trim black also.
This right here?
Yeah, that part.
Dude, that stuff
we actually separated the painted piece from the chrome.
I've never done that.
This was actually chrome from the...
Did you have to unweld the plastics?
We just broke them off and then we glued them back. Yeah, kind of blind.
Same shit.
Kind of bonded back together. That's funny.
Now.
Yeah.
For the video.
Oh, I definitely can.
Like out there for Randy and that 150.
I like that cloudy right there, but the poles are in the fucking way. Oh well. I was gonna take a picture that way. Yeah, you see how good it looks right there? All right, let's get straight right here. Okay, so back up and get straight. Perfect. This is good. Get close.
Yeah.
Let him keep the pace at like 15 miles per hour, but let him he'll pace with you. Get straighter. All right, go ahead. Perfect. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for us here. That's the big reveal, the DMAX. This is gonna be part of the channel now. Let me know in the comments what you think we should do next. It definitely needs a delete. I think it's gonna need maybe another lift or two, but what do you think we should do? It already looks phenomenal. We're already far ahead than we should be, but we could do some performance mods. We could do something, maybe have some fun with it. Leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see, etc, etc. Big shout out to my buddy Davo over here,
Flippin' Motion.
Flippin' Motion. He's got a YouTube channel as well if you want to check out some of his work. Flippin' Motion. You actually flip houses, right?
We flip houses.
Yeah.
So we don't fix motors, we fix houses.
So if you're interested in that, the link will be down below in the description, but check him out. He helped me out. Thank you very much for doing this.
Anytime, brother.
But back to the truck. Man, I'm just in love with this thing all over again. It's been quite a journey, as you can see. It's been like a month or two in the making, and I'm happy with the progress so far. We just need to figure out what kind of content we can do with this. Probably we're gonna maybe do a tug of war with Andy and see if his truck holds.
I know, right? Andy, get ahead of the game, dude.
Yeah. So we're gonna have to figure out what we can do with this thing, but that's it for now. We're gonna wrap it up here because we're getting kicked out. The security guard already came by and told us to get out. So that's it for now. Yeah, I'm gonna get back to work. I forgot to mention, if you didn't see it in the video, got my little bullet antenna right here. Look at that, that's pretty nifty. We also redid the interior. As you can see, everything usually on these are two-tone. I redid the headliner in black, painted all the trim piece in black. This wood grain piece custom painted to match the car with the logo on there. So we've come a long way from the old Clifford day. Wrapping up the video here, we're doing some huge changes suspension wise to the Bullet right now. I've got it on blocks and we are going to figure out what all the angles are. I've got some scales, so we're gonna make a video on all of that here shortly. And there's a security guard right there. So we're gonna make a video on that, figure out where all the angles are, get everything adjusted to where it's supposed to be, and then hit the track. The reason we didn't hit the track this weekend, which worked out because we needed some time to make this video, but it rained. It rained. It's gonna rain tomorrow even harder, and so that pretty much concludes all the racing for this weekend. So next weekend, next Sunday, we're gonna go back out to HMP once again and lay some casters down, man. I'm ready to throw the kitchen sink at it. So that's the plan. We'll go from there.